you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. I'll be sharing skincare for oily skin in this video, so let's get right into it.
For the first pack, we will take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, a pinch of turmeric and enough water to make it a paste. Make sure that the paste isn't too thick or too thin. And now mix it well. The gram flour is used for reducing the oil and has anti-inflammatory properties. And once the mask is made, apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, let it dry and rinse it off. You can see the glow on my face. For the second mask, we will take 2 tablespoons of coffee and add yogurt in it. If you have allergies from milk products, you can use honey instead of yogurt, and now mix it well. After making it into a paste like shown in the video, apply this paste on your face. Coffee has exfoliating properties, protects the skin from UV rays and makes it smooth and bright, and of course helps in oil reduction. Let it dry and later rinse it off. You can see how healthy my skin looks. For the moisturizer, take aloe vera gel and mix rose water in it. After mixing it well, you can use this DIY moisturizer on your face. Any normal moisturizer might make your skin look oily, and if you don't use it, your skin produces extra oil to compensate the loss of a moisturizer. So this DIY moisturizer is a perfect fit for your oily skin. Tap your face gently to let it absorb. And now for a toner, take water in a glass and squeeze lemon in it. After you mix lemon in the water, filter it and fill it in an empty spray bottle. Take the spray bottle, a cotton pad, and spray the water on it and rub it gently on your face. So with this, the skincare for oily skin is done.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.